Hey guys, Cameron here, back again. Last time out we did $5 feeds and we are back again today, and this time we're doing another $10 feed. Today's challenge is a $10 feed in 10 minutes or less. So what we're doing today is we're making a pasta dish. As always, nice, healthy, nutritious dish, something that I've served in restaurants before. It's really cool, really tasty, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. This is a really tasty dish, something again that I've served in restaurants, and the base of the dish is the eggplant or aubergine and the anchovies. There's a nice fleshy flavor with the eggplant, and the saltiness of the anchovies works really well with the eggplant. And then we're just going to finish it off with some chili. I'm a big fan of chili. A lot of my videos you'll see me using chili. You can leave that out if you want, and some garlic. And just some fresh broccolini florets, and we're just going to use those for some crunch and freshness and crisps. The pasta we're using today is fusilli, and we're going to be making an oil-based pasta, so no heavy cream, no rich tomato sauce, and yeah, let's get started. All right, so today we've just got a head start. We've got all the ingredients prepared. I don't think you need to see me show you how to cut or dice. We've got our pasta just on, it's on the boil, ready to go. That'll take 8 minutes, and so while that's boiling, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the sauce ready, and yeah, we're gonna go from here. We're gonna start with our hot pan, we're gonna throw our eggplant in, and we're just gonna fry that. So we want some nice color with the eggplant. As always, salt the eggplant. It's just such a nice vegetable. You'll see it'll start to absorb all the oil. So that eggplant will absorb all the oil, so just add a bit more. Starting to get some color on that eggplant, so next up I'm going to throw my onion in. Oh dear. And my garlic in. Going to keep frying that until our onion starts to go opaque. Our garlic's cooked and we've got some nice color on the eggplant. While that's happening, I'm just going to chop the anchovies. Get them ready to go in, and our chili. Our chili will go in now. You don't have to use chili if you don't like chili, but personally, love the stuff. Anchovies go in next. All right guys, pasta's drained. We're just at serving time now, so we're gonna finish it off. Gonna add our broccolini florets. Toss them through. We're gonna add a lot more oil. We're just so we've got a nice base to coat all the pasta. Throw our pasta in, turn the heat off. We're gonna toss that. Man, I'm missing everything. All right, 5th time's the charm. Pasta's in, we mix this through. And we're just gonna get ready to serve this. Finish it off with a good drizzle of olive oil, salt, some cracked pepper. I'm just going to give this a nice squeeze of lemon juice to finish it off. Throw that there. Just going to grab a couple of photos of this. This is a really cool looking dish. Don't underestimate it. It's a perfect dish to serve someone who's lactose intolerant. If you want to make it a vegan dish, you can remove the anchovies, throw a bit of tofu in or some beans in, and yeah. As always, guys, thanks for watching my videos. If you've enjoyed this, can you please like, share, subscribe? Really helps us get exposure to more people and allows us to keep making these videos.